everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix that soft spot in your laminate floor. Now, this is not an easy job. What actually causes it is an uneven floor underneath of your laminate floor. It's a very big job. What you have to do is actually remove all your laminate floor back to the soft spot. Fix the soft spot with some thin set or floor leveler, and then install it all again. What I recommend doing is when you're taking out your floor, take one piece out, mark it with a letter or a number, something like that, and then go on and make sure that every one is marked where it comes out at. That way when you're going to put it back, you aren't ending up with funny pieces at the end that doesn't quite look right. For this job, you will need a bag of thin set. I've gone ahead, mixed it to directions, and put it in my cup. You'll also need a float or trowel and a pencil for your markings. So the first thing we got to do is remove this old floor. They're fairly simple to remove. All you do is pick up on one side and it unclicks the entire row. Slide it out, flip it over, and mark. We're going to put this as A1, and then the next piece we'll put as A2. That way each run has its own letter, and this is the first piece I took out. So this piece will be B1 since we're into our next row. And this one will be C1. So right here, this crack doesn't look like much, but if it's right on a joint, it could be popping that joint and making it flex in to this crack. So what we're going to do is take our thin set, put some on the board here, and go ahead, just put it all across here, making sure it runs nice and level. Now if you have some grooves like this that's kind of sticking up, you can actually sand those off with just sandpaper or a power sander. So after you have it all smoothed out, go ahead, let it dry, and put your boards back in. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on this project.